Hi guys, so for this video I'm using knitting needles in size 3.75 millimeters, and here I have a yarn in size 2, but I've joined 3 strands of yarn in size 2. So 2 strands are in one color and 1 in a different color. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and now we need to cast on 40 stitches. So this one already counts as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So now I need to split these 40 stitches into these 4 double pointed needles. So the double pointed needles that I'm using are in size 3.75, and the circular knitting needles that I casted on are in size 6.5 millimeters. Now for row 1, I will start by knitting 2, then purling 2. Knit 2, then purl 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 2. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, again we'll start by knitting 2, then purling 2, knitting 2, then purling 2. So from now on it's much easier because every time you see 2 knitted stitches you have to knit them, and every time you see 2 purl stitches you have to purl them. So yeah, we just knit 2 and purl 2 throughout row 2. So we'll continue knitting 2 and purling 2 until our work reaches 17.5 inches. And now we drop the knitted stitches, so 1, 2. We'll pass the purl stitches into a right needle, drop the knitted stitches, then pass these purl stitches into a right needle, drop the knitted stitches, pass the purl stitches into a right needle, drop the knitted stitches, then pass the purl stitches into a right needle. And now I insert my hook right here through this first purl stitch. I will chain 2 because we dropped the 2 stitches. I will finish off the next 2 purl stitches. Chain 2. Finish off the next 2 purl stitches. Now right here through this first chain I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut this yarn. Now we'll just take these knitted stitches apart. Continue this for the rest of our knitted stitches, and when you work on around and drop the knitted stitches you get this effect, but if you're working straight it will look totally different, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, we just repeat this for the rest of our knitted dropped stitches. So after we took apart all these knitted stitches we'll end up with something like this. So at this point our work measures 32 inches. So at this point I'm going to just join these 2 sides together. It doesn't have to be neat because this side is going to be covered. So now I'll just pull on these two tails, just like this, and then I'll just make a knot, a double knot. So this is what we have so far. So at this point I'm going to use yarn in only one of these colors. I'll make a slip knot. Then I insert my hook right here in the middle of the scarf through that loop. Then I insert my hook through this slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain one, and then I'll repeat this for, let me see how many times, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that we made 10 single crochets, I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. And now we just leave this aside for a second, and I'll make a slip knot. Now I will chain 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now through this third chain from the hook, I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain 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 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 3 for row 2. Then through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 double crochet. In the next chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain throughout row 2. So we repeat row 2 until we have 5 rows in total. And I'm going to sew this around this area that we have worked earlier. Just wrap this around it. Then right there through that first double crochet chain, I insert my hook. Then I wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Right. Now I'm going to join these 2 double crochets together, so I'll insert my hook through the front side, then through the back side. Single crochet, again out through this double crochet and through the next double crochet. I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this double crochet into the next double crochet, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this double crochet chain and through this next double crochet chain from the other side, I'll make 1 single crochet. It's just how we usually join infinity scarves or things like that. The only difference is that this time we have something in the middle. See, like that. So I will just join these two sides together until we reach the end of this row. Now to finish this off, right there through the same chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain one and I'll cut this yarn. So now I'll just weave these ends in and we'll be done. So it measures 40 inches this way. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.